Hello, and welcome to Soft English Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan.
We're happy you're here to practice English with us.
Let's enjoy a simple conversation together.
Today's topic is working on a group project.
Let's begin.
Ryan, have you started our group project yet?
Yes, I worked on it a little last night.
That's great. How is it going?
It's going well. I finished the first page.
Nice work. I worked on the pictures this morning.
Perfect. I think the pictures will make it better.
I hope so. Did you find enough information?
Yes, but it took some time.
I understand. It took me a while too.
Do you want to check everything together?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Let's start with the introduction.
Okay, I think it looks clear and easy to read.
I'm glad to hear that.
Should we add anything else?
Maybe one more example.
That could help.
I'll write it down.
Thanks. We're making good progress.
We are. Working together makes things easier.
I agree. It's nice when everyone contributes.
Exactly. Then nobody has to do everything alone.
When do we need to finish?
By Friday afternoon.
That's enough time.
Yes, we just need to keep working little by little.
I think we're in good shape.
Me too.
Thanks for working with me.
Of course. We're a good team.
That was a nice conversation about working together.
Yes, let's learn some useful words and expressions from it.
First, we have introduction.
An introduction is the beginning part of something.
For example, I wrote the introduction for our report.
Or the introduction explains the topic.
Another useful word is progress.
Progress means moving forward and getting closer to finishing something.
For example, we're making good progress.
Or I made progress on my homework today.
We also use the word contribute.
Contribute means to give help or do your part.
For example, everyone should contribute to the project.
Or I contributed some ideas.
Another useful expression is little by little.
It means doing something slowly over time.
For example, I'm learning English little by little.
Or we finished the project little by little.
One more useful expression is in good shape.
When something is in good shape, it is doing well or is ready.
For example, our presentation is in good shape.
Or everything is in good shape for tomorrow.
Earlier, we talked about a group project.
We checked our work and talked about what still needed to be done.
We also discussed adding one more example.
And we felt confident because we were making progress.
Working together can make a task easier and more enjoyable.
It's also a great chance to practice communication.
We hope today's vocabulary helps you in school and daily life.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Keep practicing, little by little.
And remember that every small step counts.
Take care and keep learning.
We'll see you again soon at Soft English Studio.